We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making a delicious dip inspired by queso, but it's vegan. Let's do it.
The base of this dip is cashews. When blended with water, they turn into a rich and creamy dip. To spice it up, add taco seasoning. I'm using our homemade version. The recipe is on Inspired Taste. Now blend until smooth. Here's our spiced cashew cream. This is delicious already, but let's add some more flavor. Add a can of diced green chilies, nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, and a little brine from a jar of pickled jalapenos. Blend everything together until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and then serve with some chopped pickled jalapenos on top. And that's it. Simple and creamy cashew dip, also known as vegan queso. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.